Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to copy an object from one Autocad drawing file to another drawing file. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, make sure both of your Autocad drawing files are open. One drawing should contain the object you want to copy, and the second drawing should be the file where you want to paste the object. Having both files open at the same time makes the process much faster and easier. Now, go to the first drawing file, the one that contains the object you want to transfer. Use your mouse to select the object or multiple objects you want to copy. Make sure everything you need is highlighted before moving on. Once your objects are selected, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard at the same time. This copies the selected objects instantly. AutoCAD will automatically use a default base point for the copied object. If you want more control over where the object will be pasted, there's another useful shortcut. Instead of pressing Ctrl and C, press Ctrl, Shift, and C together. This allows you to choose a custom base point manually. After using Ctrl, Shift, and C, AutoCAD will ask you to pick a base point. Simply click on a corner or important point of the object. Choosing a good base point helps you place the object accurately in the second drawing file. Now, switch over to the second AutoCAD drawing file. This is the file where you want to paste the copied object. To paste the object, press Ctrl and V on your keyboard. You can also right-click and select Paste from the menu if you prefer using the mouse. After pasting, move your cursor around the screen and click to place the object wherever you want. If you used a custom base point earlier, you'll notice it becomes much easier to align the object perfectly. This method is extremely useful when working on large projects, architectural plans, engineering drawings, or collaborative work. Instead of redrawing the same object again and again, you can quickly transfer designs between files and save a huge amount of time. Another great thing about this method is that it keeps the object's original scale, dimensions, and properties intact. That means your copied object will look exactly the same in the new drawing. If you accidentally paste the object in the wrong location, don't worry. You can always use the Move command to reposition it accurately inside the second drawing. As you continue using AutoCAD, shortcuts like these will dramatically improve your workflow and productivity. Small techniques like copy and paste between drawings can make complex projects much easier to manage. Practice this process a few times using different objects and drawings. The more you repeat it, the faster and more natural it becomes. And that's basically it. You now know how to copy objects from one AutoCAD drawing file to another quickly and efficiently. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.